Negative thinking can hold us back from reaching our true potential. But what if you could turn those thoughts around and start seeing opportunities instead of obstacles? Today, we'll explore practical strategies to overcome negative thinking and reframe your mindset for success. Negative thinking often stems from the brain's natural tendency to protect us from harm. It acts as a defense mechanism, keeping us safe from potential failure or risks. However, this can limit our growth and prevent us from seizing new opportunities. Psychologist Martin Seligman's research on learned helplessness shows how negative thinking can restrict our actions and keep us stuck. But with conscious effort, you can change this mindset. One effective way to overcome negative thinking is through cognitive reframing. This technique helps you replace negative thoughts with more realistic, positive ones. For example, instead of thinking, "I might fail," try reframing it to, "Even if I fail, I will learn something valuable." Cognitive behavioral therapy, or CBT, is a proven method for restructuring negative thought patterns and turning them into actionable, positive behaviors. To practice this, write down your negative thoughts and then rewrite them with a positive twist. Over time, this habit will help naturally shift your thinking. Segment 3. Surround yourself with positivity. To maintain positive thinking, it's important to cultivate a positive environment. The people and surroundings we engage with have a significant impact on our mindset. Studies show that we are influenced by the emotions and behaviors of those around us. By spending time with supportive, positive individuals, we can strengthen our own positive outlook. Find friends, mentors, or colleagues who inspire and uplift you, and make a conscious effort to engage with them regularly. Segment 4. Cultivate gratitude. Another powerful tool to overcome negative thinking is gratitude. By practicing gratitude regularly, we reinforce a positive outlook and train our brains to focus on the good things in life. Gratitude psychology shows that expressing thankfulness increases overall happiness and reduces negative thoughts. It creates a cycle of positivity that supports mental well-being. Start by writing down 3 things you're grateful for each day. This simple habit will gradually shift your mind to focus on the positive aspects of life. Overcoming negative thinking is a crucial step towards success. By using cognitive reframing, building a positive environment, and practicing gratitude, you can transform your mindset and unlock new opportunities. Start today and embrace the power of positive thinking. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on mindset and personal growth.